Happy New Year and welcome to the first Maryland Market Minute of 2021. Wow, this past year certainly was interesting. Interest rates were under 3%. Inventory shortages and buyer demand created a market not seen in many areas ever. Days on the market were under 10 in many circumstances. It's Friday, January 8th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level here in Maryland. So, what's to be expected this year? Forecasts indicate more of the same. As we move into our coming spring market between January 15th and March 15th, the interest rates are predicted to remain low. Inventory may change as sellers and investors think about jumping in to the market to sell. While there may be a bit more inventory as a result, buyer demand still may outpace availability. Displaced renters from sellers who list to sell may also be a factor to consider. What's the market look like now? Well, there are 594 properties coming soon for sale. 9,092 homes sold last month with a median price of $335,000 at 100% of list price in 9 days. Distressed homes still exist, and there are a lot of cash buyer investors competing for these properties. There are currently only 446 spread out all over Maryland, with the largest portion in Baltimore City. There are 1,689 rentals at an average rental price of $21.29 per month. The highest priced home to sell in 2020 remains the one in Bethesda for $15 million. There is a waterfront estate currently pending in Easton's Talbot County listed at $6,200,000. That's your Maryland Market Minute for Friday, January 8th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Give me a call at 443-837-5645 if I can answer any questions regarding the market or your specific circumstances. Also, be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our podcast. Thanks again for liking, sharing, and subscribing. Tune in next Friday for the complete market update and have a super weekend.